Alright, so for the final video that I'll do for 2023 will be about Unix Time and how to get the final timestamp for December 31st of 2023 for the final second of the year. And we're going to do that with code. And I'll demonstrate this example in PHP. Alright, so what is the Unix timestamp? Well, here we have the Wikipedia page. And it gives you a very basic description. Basically, the Unix time is a date and time representation widely used in computing. And it measures time by the number of seconds that have elapsed since 000000 UTC on the 1st of January in 1970. So this is the Unix epoch. Now, why do we have this? Well, the epoch time, or the POSIX time, or Unix time, serves as a very simple and universal method for representing a specific point in time in computing systems. It's a way to standardize it and makes it very simple for computers to, no matter where they're located in the world, to have a standardized timestamp. It's for simplicity, it makes it time zone independent, and it's what we've been using since January 1st of 1970. Alright, so we're going to be using PHP for this demonstration, and we're going to use the date default time zone set function over here in conjunction with string to time. Alright, so now I'll just go to VS Code, make sure this is big. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to create a new file, and you can do this any way you want within your editor. But I'll just use terminal to create the file, and I'll just name it unix.php. And now we have that here. So for now, I'll just close off the terminal, and I'll just create the opening PHP tag, and then I'll just type out the name of that function, date default time zone set. And what I'm going to do is, since I'm based out of New York, I'll set the time zone to here. And now I'm going to create the date string for the last second of 2023 in New York City. So I'll create a variable. So now this variable date string is holding the value of the year 2023, December 31st. And I want to find out the last second, what the Unix timestamp for the last second of the year is going to be. So I'm fast forwarding to the 23rd hour, the 59th minute, and the 59th second. Then I'll create another variable. And this is where I'm going to use the string to time function. In there, I'll take the variable date string, place it in there, and then I'm just going to simply echo out the result. Alright, so I'm just adding the PHP end of line over here, since I'm going to generate this into the command line. So now I'll open up my terminal, and I'll type out PHP and the name of the file, and let's see what we get. So based on this code right here, the Unix timestamp for the last second of 2023 in New York City is going to be 1,704,085,199 seconds. That's passed since January 1st of 1970. Now, if we go back to the browser, you could see right here on this page a list of the supported time zones, and then more information about the date default time zone set right here, and then information about string to time. Alright, so 2023 has been a fun year. We've seen a lot of things happening within technology, a lot of things happening within the programming world, and I figured it only made sense to finish the year with a very basic coding tutorial. And just in case you're interested in knowing, there are 86,400 seconds in a day. So the question is, what are you doing with your time? Every second that passes, you don't get back. So the challenge that I've always put myself under is to not waste time. And actually, one of the earlier videos I've done on this channel has been about the fact that we have 86,400 seconds in a day. So I want to say thank you to 2023 for the lessons learned, for the challenges you presented, for all the opportunities, and for all the fun times. Thank you. And to 2024, I look forward to an amazing year. It should be fun, should be interesting. The world is changing every single day. And as a programmer, someone who codes on a daily basis, I'm paying attention. I'm making sure that I can adapt and evolve to the changing landscape. And I urge everyone else to do the same. So I hope you had a great 2023, and I hope you have an amazing 2024. I'll see you next year, which will be in less than 86,400 seconds. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding.